Good morning and Assalamu alaikum girls. How are you all? I hope you all will be taking good care of yourselves and your studies as well. Girls, today is Monday, 7th December 2020 and our today's topic is formal letter writing. We have to write a letter to the chairman of municipal corporation regarding deplorable condition of your society, of your locality. Okay? So let us start writing. First of all, you have to write examination hall. You have to write the address from where are you writing. Examination hall, city ABC, December 7, 2020. Then you have to write the address to whom you are writing, the chairman, comma, municipal corporation office, full stop. Beta, always keep in mind that you have to put comma after writing examination hall, and after writing the name of the city you have to put the full stop. After date you have to put the full stop. Then you have to skip one line. You have to write the letter to, you are writing the letter to the chairman, comma, then you have to write municipal corporation office and you have to put the full stop. After writing the double address we have to write the subject. Okay, what is the subject of this letter? We are complaining about the deplorable condition of our locality. Okay, the subject, you have to skip one line. You have to write the subject, then complaining about deplorable condition of our locality. Then skip another line and you have to write sir, comma, and now the body of the letter starts here. I would like to bring your kind notice about the miserable condition in my locality. The roads are in very bad condition. They have not been repaired for the last over 5 years. The streets are not swept properly and regularly. There are not a sufficient number of dustbins and people throw rubbish here and there. During rain, water collects here and drains overflow. The water stagnates, giving rise to mosquito menace and malaria. I request you to get the road constructed without further delay. I hope that you would take immediate steps to improve the sanitary condition in this locality. This is the body of your letter. Now we have to end this yours truly. Then we have to put comma, x dot y dot z and full stop. Okay. So this is your letter. You have to write this letter on your notebooks in a neat and clean handwriting. And your homework is to learn this letter by heart. Okay. Take care.